Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTutorTherapy, back with another video. And today we're back in the office, we're not outside anymore, and we're gonna talk about something I haven't talked about in a while: demos. I have today 5 very important tips for all the new demo teachers. And it looks like there is a demo invitation fire hydrant that just opened, and it's spewing invitations everywhere, and everyone is getting an invitation to do demos. So it's better for you to be ready for them. Whether you like demos or no, I think these tips can be beneficial for you, and I hope you will work with them. Now, the first tip that I'm gonna give you is actually gonna give you a little bit of peace of mind. Do not think about demos as any different types of session from your regular sessions. And in here, I mean, do not teach and then just sit and wait and anticipate the signups to come. Don't feel like I had a good session and then where is the signup? I had a bad session. Oh my God, I'm gonna lose the signup. Just don't think about the signups. Only focus on doing your job, and signups are gonna be just something extra, like a good surprise. Because believe me, I have been doing this and many teachers have been doing this. When you anticipate the sign up, when you wait for it, you just set yourself up for disappointment, and you just set yourself up for something that you cannot control, and you just will not feel good if what you exactly want to happen doesn't happen. Tip number 2. For those of you who are new to demos, they sometimes make the mistake that if they fill an incomplete report or they have some empty demo hour they didn't get booked, they actually think it's a break and they get up and they walk around, and this is the first thing you will do before you get an absence. It's really important for you to stay available on Tutor Chat and on the computer, because they can give you a link to enter a session at any minute. Usually there are some increments, 10-minute increments, 5. Just don't think about it like this. Make yourself available and make yourself close to the computer throughout the entire time you are booked for demos, just to make sure you don't miss anything. Many of my absences that I have gotten were just because I was not available next to the computer when they send me an invitation to join a demo in the time that most people will think, they're not gonna send me anything. It's too late. You never know. Also, something else, check out my other video talking about the program Auto Refresh, which is going to help you so much refresh your My Session page very quickly, so you will never miss a check-in, and you will always see if someone added a session for you in the last second. The Auto Refresh will always refresh that page and make sure that you always see the new information on your page. No more dead, old, non-updated information. The third tip is actually for all the demo teachers, not just the new demo teachers, which is continue learning all the time. Don't think that you have enough demo experience. If you feel like you have a few questions about demos, if you feel like you want to improve your performance, look around for other resources that can help you improve your performance, whether the social media, or even go ahead and schedule an NDT session, or the new demo training session. Probably the teachers there are a more experienced master's demo consultant, and they're going to tell you a lot of things that you need to know. Maybe some of the stuff that they will say you already know, but at least you will get a chance to be face-to-face with an experienced teacher, and you can ask them everything you want. You can even do a mock teaching with them, and you can pretend to be the teacher, and the master demo consultant will pretend to be the student and give you feedback on your teaching techniques. It's really useful, and it will really help you improve your teaching techniques and get all your questions answered. It really is useful for a lot of teachers, new or not new. The 5th tip is actually related to materials. Now, we all know that you can go ahead and find all the demo materials that you will probably end up teaching in the training portal, and it's really important for you to go there and check them out. But not just to study the materials and familiarize yourself with them. No, that's actually not a big deal. We can look at it in a couple minutes and we can already size it up and know what's up. The problem is, especially in the 25-minute demos, you're going to get a lot of students who are below level or above level. Just for some reason, the students don't get assigned the right level. And this is going to be more than 50% of the time from my own personal experience. And in that case, you need to be familiar with the slides and know it like the back of your hand. So you will know what to simplify and what to skip. You need to know how you will do that. You need to have different scenarios in your head. If I have a low-level student in this particular materials, okay, then I know that I'm gonna skip this page, it's too much. I'm gonna teach this vocabulary on that page. I'm gonna introduce something new here, just for you to familiarize yourself with every single aspect of the slides, so you will know where to simplify, get inspired of ideas to extend the topics. If the student was higher level, just you have so many things to prepare and set up in your mind before you start teaching a demo in real life. Also, another thing, the animation that we're supposed to be using on these slides, they are a little tricky to trigger sometimes, and it's really useful if you know where exactly to click to activate this animation. Especially that you probably are gonna end up having to do this yourself, because 90% of the students are taking your demos on an iPad or a tablet of some sorts, and they will not be able to use the animation or interact with the animation in any way. So you're gonna end up having to do it yourself, and you have to do it smoothly and nicely without looking confused and looking, where is it, where should I click? All that is really important for you to know, to make sure you look professional, and to make sure that you extend or simplify the materials in a smooth way that doesn't look very difficult, or just it looks effortless. It needs to look natural, even though it's not. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. For those of you who are new to the demo classes, welcome to the demo group, and I hope you will have a nice, enjoyable trip. And no matter how difficult things will be, you have to know that we're here for you. We can help you. Whenever you need anything, you will find many people who are experienced and can help you and tell you whatever you need to do to improve your performance and have a better teaching experience. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.